If you want your dental implant that never fail, Eledent International is what you have to choose for your dental implants. When it comes to dental implants, failure is not an option. And at Eledent, we deliver you an implant success that you can trust. Hi, I'm Dr. Suhas, CMD at Eledent International Banjara Hills. You can come visit me at Banjara Hills. We also have branches across Hyderabad at Kukatpalli, Kondapur, Manikonda, and Banjara Hills. We are coming up with our fifth branch at Kompally very soon. I have been placing dental implants for past 15 years and I have a specialized experience for placing dental implants. We have together placed more than 23,000 dental implants so far with a success rate of over 99.3%. That is a tremendous success rate, and for achieving such a great feat, this exceptional achievement is due to our commitment for success, which is basically due to our 3D digital planning of all the treatments and our infrastructure. Next is the world class dental implants that we place, and the digitally planned guided precision microsurgical protocols that we use. And finally, most importantly, the top level of sterilization protocols that we follow across all our Eledent hospitals. And our highly skilled staff make sure that they follow the protocols very stringently, and you get a precise treatment every step. For implants that reliably last a lifetime, trust only Eledent International Dental Hospitals. And if you want to consult with any of our doctors, please use the number given below and book your appointment now. Thank you.